Ever wondered what the secrets of successful seed saving are? Welcome to the fascinating world of seed preservation. Today we'll delve into 7 key secrets that every gardener should know to master this age-old horticultural art. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets of successful seed saving. The first secret to successful seed saving is choosing the right seeds. Consider seeds from robust, healthy plants and ensure they're mature. These factors greatly influence your harvest. Remember, the quality of your seeds determines the quality of your future plants. The second secret is all about proper seed storage. Seeds thrive best when stored in a cool, dark, and dry place. These conditions help maintain the seed's vitality and longevity, so don't neglect this step. Proper seed storage ensures a higher germination rate. Our third and fourth secrets are correct drying and accurate labeling. Ensuring seeds are properly dried prevents mold, while labeling with the date and seed type avoids confusion. Remember, correct drying and accurate labeling can save you a lot of trouble in the future. The fifth and sixth secrets are regular seed testing and rotation. It's vital to test your seeds' viability, ensuring they're still capable of sprouting. Rotation is key in maintaining freshness, as older seeds can lose their vigor. Regular seed testing and rotation ensure you always have viable seeds ready for planting. The seventh and final secret is sharing seeds. This practice is more than just a good deed. It's a way to preserve biodiversity, foster community, and ensure a variety of plants for future generations. Sharing seeds not only helps you, but also contributes to a greener planet. Those were the 7 secrets to successful seed saving. From choosing the right seeds, storing them properly, drying and labeling correctly, to regular testing, rotation, and sharing. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.